Great Day Incorporated has quickly become America's leading manufacturer of accessories for hunting and off-road vehicles.
Got him all tagged up. We're ready to load him up. And tell you what, it's really awesome to I got my Stealth 4x4 and I've got a power loader by Great Day on the front of it. And what's so awesome about it is that I can load this deer up and take him out and not have to have help. I mean, by myself. I mean, this normally would be easily a 2 or 3 man job. I mean, he's a great big deer. I bet he's 250-pound deer. I mean, he's gigantic. And there's no way one guy's picking him up, probably not even 2, unless you're big, and I'm a little fella. So that's why I'm so glad that I've got this power loader. So I'm gonna show you how it works. It's really, really easy. Now what we're gonna do is, it's hooked up to the winch on the front of this Stealth, and we'll let it out. And see, when we get right here, we pull this pin. It's real simple, and what that does is it allows this cradle right here to kind of give a little bit once it gets down, and you can roll it right up, and then when we bring it back up, we'll stick the pin back in. But let me continue lowering it. Okay, now what we do is we'll set that there. Got these straps right here, and get them loosened up, and then we'll just roll the butt onto the straps and then onto the cradle, and it's amazing. I mean, it's all you gotta do is just pull a little bit, get him on there. Probably should have pulled up a little closer. And that's all there is to it. That's all the picking up I gotta do. Just 2 or 3 little tugs. And get the strap under him. Where's that other strap at? Right there. Just like so. And just like so. Now I gotta get to the little pulley thing deal. Where's that? Kind of get him tight, and what I'll do after I get him up a little bit, I'll cinch it down a little bit more, make sure it doesn't get loose, and then that's about it right there. strap, make sure he's good and tight on there. Yeah, he's tight. Whoop, wrong way. All right, now put the pin back in. Gotta rock it a little bit so it'll go in there. Right there. And then turn on up. There we go. Kind of bound up a little bit. I guess we'll go show off my buck. Okay. See ya.
You know, more and more hunters are customizing and adding accessories to their plain old golf carts to transform them into the perfect hunting machine. When it comes to accessorizing, Great Day's got you covered. You can find Great Day's custom cart accessories online or at your local dealer.